Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set a stop loss on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be showing you this in TWS Desktop, which is their trader workstation platform. First, you'll need to create or locate your entry order. Open TWS and navigate to your watch list or chart. Click on the bid or ask price to create a new order. An order row will appear showing your entry order details. This is your parent order that the stop loss will attach to. Next, you need to access the Attach menu. Right-click on that order row. When the menu appears, hover over Attach and then select Bracket Order from the submenu. The moment you click that, TWS will instantly add two child orders below your entry. You'll see a limit order for take profit and a stop order for your stop loss, both on the opposite side of your entry. Now it's time to set your stop loss price. Look at the stop loss row beneath your parent order. You'll see a column called Aux Price. Click on that field and type in your desired stop price. Once you enter it, the price will appear in the Aux Price field. Just so you know, if you're placing a buy order, the stop loss will be a low side sell order, and if you're placing a sell order, it'll be a high side buy order. The default offset is usually $1. If you also want to set a take profit, click on the LMT price column in the other child order row, enter your target price there, and it'll appear in the limit price field. This is optional, but it's useful because when either the take profit or stop loss fills, the other one automatically cancels. Finally, you need to transmit the order. Click the transmit button or press T on your keyboard. When you do that, all three orders get submitted together: your entry, your stop loss, and your take profit if you set one. Keep in mind that the stop loss order won't actually be submitted to the market until your parent order fills. Once your parent order fills, the stop loss and take profit orders go live. When one of them fills, the other automatically cancels through what's called OCO logic, which stands for one cancels other. Your stop loss will stay active until it triggers. Your take profit triggers first, or you manually cancel it. One quick note, stop orders only trigger during regular trading hours unless you specifically enable extended hours, and that only works for limit orders anyway, not regular stop orders. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.